Try to fix the bike today. Robot's looking for wire or something to hold the bag down. Because somebody dropped the bike. I don't want to mention any names.
What the fuck? It was you.
Was it?
Yeah.
And then I don't know who, but I'm assuming it's whoever fucking towed my bike. Where's my fucking shit off? Little bitch.
Stole everything.
What else they take? Oh! Oh! And then, I don't know what they're called though, but they fucking stole them too. Little things right here. I gotta buy new ones of those. Fucking faggot. Thought you were gonna die it? Oh man.
You hear that hit?
You know what he
I
said?
need balls.
I didn't want to break the wrenches.
That one. That's the one.
What is it?
I think it's an Indian, no?
I don't know.
Look, it has the gear on the gas station.
Probably. Around there. We couldn't get the screw out, so we took it to a shop and the shop got it out for us. Got a new thing on it. Now we just gotta put it on. Come on, start the bitch up.
Something's stuck in.
He's already getting a cramp. Look at him. The bike, look at it. It's dying. Poor bike. Did you put the gas on?
Did I? You turned it off, motherfucker?
Oh shit, where would it go? It's in gear already. You want the mask? Nah. Alright, we got the bike up. It's kind of sketchy though. I mean, chances of us falling, pretty high I would say. What up, more?
But this shit's already loose, look. I already took it out. There's your fucking park case.
Did you use this already?
There you go. I feel like I'm a fucking idiot.
Well, now you gotta rebuild it. Can you rebuild it?
This up?
We didn't have the stuff to clean the thing, so, you know, we went the
Bullshit.
getaway.
The other side.
That's what she said. Yeah, pull it out now.
It looks pretty clean. What do you think?
Okay, it's good enough. Next thing to clean now.
Nothing.
Twist it, look while it's in there. Yeah, and then pull it out. That should be good.
No, that's way better. Oh, it's bent. Right here, look.
My handlebar a bit?
Yeah.
Alright, we finally finished it. We're gonna go test it out right now. Alright, go robot. Turn the bike on. Does it feel steady? Oh, again with that.
Get the keys in and open the front gate.
You can't handle it.
Too many rocks. Look how deep it is over there compared to over here.
I can tell. Careful, there's dirt. It'll pull out. Don't take off too fast. Car coming.
Oh, the handlebars are loose.
Alright, go. Go slow.
The brakes suck a little bit.
They suck?
Yeah, the front one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it with the dirt.
Could be dirt.
I was going pretty fucking quick. Right here. They feel pretty good. It feels smooth.
I don't think you know how to burn them. A little bit. I told you. Stand up. Like, don't put your weight on it.
I'm a fucking wrecking that bed.
I know.